One of the biggest reasons many entrepreneurs never get funding isn't because their business isn't good enough. It's because they believe a myth. My business is too small to qualify, and that belief stops many business owners before they ever explore their options. Many entrepreneurs have incredible ideas, they have customers, they have passion, they have a product or service that solves a problem, but when it comes to funding, they immediately assume, I don't qualify. I don't have enough revenue. I need to wait until my business is bigger. But here's the truth. Funding is not only about the size of your business, it's about preparation. Lenders, investors, and grant organizations want to understand, do you have a clear business model? Do you know how your business makes money? Do you have organized financial records? Do you have a plan for growth? Are you able to show the impact your business creates? Many entrepreneurs are closer to being funding ready than they realize. The problem is they haven't taken the time to build the foundation. Think about it like buying a home. Before a bank approves a mortgage, they look at your preparation, your credit, your income, your documentation. Business funding works the same way. You have to show that your business is prepared for the opportunity. Before applying for funding, focus on creating a strong business plan, understanding your numbers, building your business credit, tracking your revenue, knowing which funding options match your business stage, because the right opportunity at the wrong time can still lead to rejection. Don't disqualify yourself before someone else has the chance to say yes. Your business may not need to become bigger first. It may need to become more prepared. If you're a business owner looking for funding, comment funding and start the conversation.